Aurora paramedics who today defended their decision to give the maximum dose of the sedative ketamine to Elijah McClain. Experts have blamed that drug for killing McClain in 2019 after police had stopped him.
They had tried to blame the police officers, but acknowledged they never checked McClain's pulse. Investigative reporter Kevin Vaughn was in court today, and he joins us from Brighton. Kevin?
Tom and Kim, each of these paramedics spent several hours on the witness stand. In fact, testimony just wrapped up for the day, and it's expected that the defense is about to wrap up its case. Peter Cichuniec and Jeremy Cooper each faces a charge of reckless manslaughter and multiple counts of assault. Today, each said they were trained to estimate whether a person was small, of average size, or large before giving them ketamine. Both said they believed McClain was a large person, leading to the largest possible dose of the drug. Multiple medical experts have testified that overdose killed him. Both also criticized Aurora police, particularly an incident where an officer slammed McClain to the ground. But on cross-examination, both also acknowledged they did little hands-on assessment and didn't ask him about medical issues he was experiencing.
Nobody actually tried to take Mr. McClain's pulse.
Okay.
This is an incorrect statement, right?
I don't think so, because I know Mr. Cooper went down to engage, and that's when the body slam happened.
Does the patient have any medical complaints?
I did not ask that, no, sir.
Didn't ask if he had any breathing complaints?
No, sir, I did not ask that.
You never asked if he was rendered unconscious previously?
I did not ask that, no, sir.
Now, it's worth noting that 3 police officers involved in this situation have already gone on trial. Separate juries acquitted 2 of them, but the 3rd officer was found guilty of criminally negligent homicide and 3rd-degree assault. He is set for testimony in January. Kim and Tom?
And Kevin, going back to those officers' trial, one officer did testify in his own defense. He was very emotional and remorseful, and he was acquitted. So can you describe more about what the paramedics, how they came across, if you will?
I would say neither of these paramedics displayed a lot of emotion. They were both very forthcoming with answers while they were on direct examination. It got a little more testy on cross-examination a few times. And again, in several cases, prosecutors used their own words in prior statements to impeach some of what they said today.
Yeah, and it all depends on what the jury feels at the moment and what they know and what they don't know, which a lot of it they haven't been able to know about. So thank you for that update, Kevin.